In Windows 11, you can choose whether your F1 through F12 keys act as function keys or as media keys. When media keys are enabled, you'll be able to adjust quick settings like increasing or decreasing the volume, disabling your touchpad, and adjusting keyboard brightness with a quick tap of the button. In order to change this setting, you'll need to access the BIOS. There are many ways to access the BIOS. In this video, we'll use the restart method. Restart your PC. You can do so by selecting the Windows key, then locate the power icon and select Restart. Once your PC restarts and you see the Acer logo, hold down the F2 key, located towards the top of your keyboard. Once in the BIOS, use the right arrow key on your keyboard to navigate to the Main tab at the top of the screen. Under Main, locate Function Key Behavior. Press the down arrow on your keyboard until it is highlighted, then press Enter to select it. In order to enable the media keys, press the down arrow to highlight Media Key, and press Enter to confirm your selection. Press F10 to save and exit the BIOS. With media keys enabled, the F1 through F10 keys will perform the media behavior shown on the key. In order to use the function key behaviors, you can press the Fn key along with the function key you are wanting to use.